we divide this 57 by 5 in a long division method. So 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down this 7 and 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 2. So now there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 57 divided by 5 is 11 decimal 4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.